Hi, I'm Tasha, and this is the Caterpillar 450E Backhoe Loader. It's made to 1/87th scale by Norscot, and even though this thing is super tiny, it has a lot of cool things that I want to show you. First of all, the front loader is very positionable. It tilts up and down, and the boom raises and lowers. And then we've got tires with authentic tread, and then there's also a cool view of the inside of the operator's cab. Moving back, we have these stabilizers on both sides that raise and lower. And then also, the rear boom and backhoe loader are positionable, and the whole thing pivots nearly a full 180 degrees. So there you go. A great backhoe loader from Norscot.